Every single day, you're losing money, time, and energy because of this one mistake. This one critical mistake is costing you, and it's compounding, and it's all adding up very rapidly, resulting in you not getting the results that you want and achieving the kind of lifestyle that you desire. This simple mistake, if you get rid of it, will free up your resources, give you more time, bring in more wealth and abundance, and your energy levels will skyrocket too. It's simple. It's the one hack, brain hack, mind hack, if you want to call it that, that really affects our life most significantly. And it's simply where you're placing your awareness. We all have awareness. It's almost like a spotlight that you can shine anywhere. And you can decide where you're going to point it or direct it. However, most of us don't. And if you don't make a decision on where to direct it, the spotlight will just sort of move on automatic pilot throughout the day. And that's when you have random thoughts and ideas, maybe bad emotions, maybe just a weird mood that you're in. You know, it's just very random. It's not in your control. You're not directing. You're just letting it do its thing and living on autopilot. Now, when you take control of that awareness, when you take control of the spotlight, what happens is you get to make a decision on what you want to focus on. See, if you take control of your awareness and point it to the feelings that you want to feel, to the people that you want to spend time with, to the goals that you want to achieve, all of a sudden, the way that you experience life changes completely. And that's because you get whatever you focus on. If I told you right now to look around your room and find the color blue, you know, wherever you are, if you're outside, if you're inside, look around for the color blue. Look, what's blue, what's blue? All the things that are blue, try to find them quickly. You only have 5 more seconds, try to remember all of them. What else is blue, what else is blue? And close your eyes. And then now, tell me, while you have your eyes closed, all the things that you saw that were red. And it's going to be extremely difficult because you were looking for blue. That's what your attention was set on. That's what you were focused on. And so that's what you found. And now if you open your eyes and look for red, you'll find red everywhere because you're looking for it. Now it's easy. See, when you're looking for reasons to be pissed off or angry or frustrated, when you're looking for a reason to be feeling like life isn't fair, then you'll find it. Whatever you're looking for, you will find it. If you believe that, you know, it's healthy to work out every single day and it's really important and this is why, you know, you'll know, right? You'll have all these reasons, you'll have all this backup and you'll work out and you'll do it because it's the right thing for you and your attention is on it. But if you want to try to find reasons for why you shouldn't work out, you'll find them too. I'm tired today, I don't feel like it, you know, it's raining outside, whatever it might be. You'll find whatever you're looking for. If you believe that you're a bad person or that people don't like you or that you're shy and anxious, you'll find proof. Oh, look how I spoke. Oh, I'm afraid. Oh, and you'll generate these emotions in you repeatedly, losing time, energy, and money because you're giving attention to these things that really aren't valuable. They're not helping you. They're not moving you towards your goals. They're just sucking the life right out of you. And if you move your attention away from that and you say, well, let me find some proof that I'm confident. Let me find some proof that actually people like me and I get along with everyone. And for some reason, people are just attracted to me and it's easy for me to make money. You'll find reasons why. You'll find the proof for whatever you're looking for. So use your spotlight correctly instead of incorrectly and watch your results soar. Everything in your life will skyrocket as a result of you making a decision to focus your attention on what you want, not on what you don't want. The more time you spend thinking about what you don't want and how you hope this doesn't happen, the more the chances increase for you experiencing more of that or creating more of that feeling. You're in a loop. Remember, your brain is a powerful machine, but if you set it on a loop to feel negative, it will give you that over and over and over every day. Your default state will become misery, and that's no fun. So how about we just change it? How about you find some proof that you're doing great, that you're on your way, that people like you, that whatever it is that you want is happening, it's coming to life. How about this? Let's look for reasons to exercise instead of reasons not to. Let's look for reasons to do the things we're passionate about instead of excuses for why we cannot. Oh, I'm too young, I'm too old, I'm too fat, I'm too skinny, whatever. You know, we always can find a reason for why we cannot. Instead of finding those excuses, look for reasons why you can, why you are able. Use that spotlight, master the use of that spotlight and your awareness. And what will happen is you'll find it very easy, effortless to just go out there and achieve whatever it is that you want. That's how I made my life easy. I just trained my spotlight so that whatever it is that I truly desire, I just put all my attention on it and I'll find reasons and ways to do it. That's it. Simple, 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 simple. Save yourself years of struggle and frustration and failure by just mastering this one skill. Put your attention on what you want, not what you don't want. And it'll make your life that much easier and your whole experience that much more enjoyable. Also, be sure to hit subscribe and that notification bell so that you keep up to date with the videos. And thank you for watching. Drop a comment down below if you enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one.